So the customer said that this was submerged in 6 inches of water in his GL450. So we weren't sure that we were going to be able to get data from this one. I've got the wires hooked up to pull the eeprom. You can see some corrosion on the board itself. You see all that corrosion there? All this green corrosion, and then you've got more corrosion over here by the connector. So I hooked up the wires, and luckily I was still able to get this data, and I'm going to be able to clone this for him, and it's going to be a plug-and-play clone. Just to show you that I can read this, I've got it hooked up to the Carprog right now. There's Carprog, and it's hooked up according to the picture they give you. So you just hook up 4 wires at those points, and you select your part number, gives you the diagram where to hook up, you hook up, click next, and it's already hooked up. I hooked it up already, a little bit of soldering, and then you click on read. And it's going to read for a second. And there's our data. We got a VIN, we got the odometer, and these are the number of oil changes. It's recorded 7 oil changes, and some random data here, the Assist Plus number of services there. Okay. So yeah, just a quick video on what we do here. This is a gateway clone, and it's going to start right up when this is done.